Hi. How are you? Okay. How are you doing? All right. Okay. Hi everyone. All right.
Vandaag, good afternoon, Croeso, welcome to our friends from Azerbaijan. We've got 15 minutes with Ryan, and then we'll have Gareth in for 15 minutes. There is translation, so we'll take the question and answer, and then there'll be a translation from Josh on the far side. So we can go 3 or 4 questions, Chris, before we, and then we'll hand over to someone else. But just ask the question, get the answer, and then we'll have the translation. Okay, thanks.
Ryan, how are you doing?
Hi.
First things first, how are the squad looking? Are there any worries in terms of injuries, or was everyone fit?
No, we're fine. Ben Woodburn picked up a bug over the last couple of days, so he wasn't involved yesterday, but as you can see, he was out today. So we'll just have to monitor that. He might be a little bit weak, so that might have an impact on him being involved. But other than that, no, everyone's fit and raring to go.
Kamında ne vaziyettedir? Herhangi bir zedeler var mı? Sabah ise hayır, sadece Woodburn ona özünü yaxşı sələmədi, onu nələrdən keçirməli, ondan orada hər şey qaydasındadır.
You said after the games in June that it made things difficult for yourself with your 2 defeats. There's no real room for error in this league. Is the most pressure you've been under to get a result as a manager?
No, I think obviously with 2 defeats, you're up against it. But it's still early in the group. There's still plenty of points to play for. I think, if we have got aspirations to qualify, we need to win all our home games. And obviously this is our home game. So if we want to qualify, we need to compete and look at picking up points, like I say, from the home games. And we've got tough games ahead. Not only tough games, but also, like you say, under a little bit of pressure. But I think every time you play for your country, you're under pressure, and just welcome that pressure.
Bundan evvel 2 dəfə uduzmuşsunuz. Ona görə indi daha yəni uduzmağa başqa bir uduzmağa bir yer yoxdur. Cavab isə oldu ki, 2 dəfə məğlubiyyətimiz olub. Ona görə bu oyun bizim üçün çox önəmlidir və bu oyunu mütləq qələbə qazanmalıyıq və bundan arada bütün ev oyunlarında qələbə qazanmaları ümid edirik və bunlar bizim üçün çox önəmlidir.
3 of your last 5 games are at home. How important is making this place a fortress you need it to be with the atmosphere these fans can create?
No, it is important. Obviously, we won our first game, which was at home, and we've got a great record here. The players love playing here. We've always had fantastic support, and it makes a difference. It makes a difference when we do get that fantastic support. Against Slovakia, up against it in the final few minutes, and the crowd helped us get through that. So, yeah, we'll be relying on the fans, but also we need to get the fans going as well, with some of our play and positive play. It won't be easy because Azerbaijan, as we've seen away from home, can make it difficult. They did really well over in Croatia, creating lots of chances, and they've scored in every game, so we need to be wary of that. But, like I say, if we're going to qualify, we need to do well and win all our home games.
Sual oydu ki, eğer o oyunlarımızda, home oyunlarımızda atmosferiniz olacak. O yüzden cevabı oldu ki, birinci oyunumuz evdeydi və bizim indiyə qədər oyunlarımız yaxşı keçib və əlbəttə ki, azərkeşlərin atmosferi oyuna çox təsir eləyir və Slovakiya ilə oyunda biz yerdə olsa, Slovakiya ilə oyunda azərkeşlər bizdən çox kömək oldu. Azərbaycanla oyunda isə çox Azərbaycan oyunu bizdə çox çətin oldu. İndiyə qədər bütün oyunlarda qol vura biliblər. Ona görə də nəzərə alsaq ki, biz bu oyunu mütləq qələbə qazanmalıyıq. Bu bizim üçün biraz çətin olacaq.
Now, Ashley Williams in the squad, obviously. You made Gareth Bale your captain. I'm sure you're delighted to see him back in goal scoring form now. You're all watching through your fingers that he's injured, I'm guessing. How is he? How is he enjoying the responsibility of being captain? And do you think he's now getting back to his best?
No, first and foremost, you want all your players to be playing, and now Gareth's playing. He's played a couple of 90 minutes, and I say at every press conference, we all know what he's capable of. So it's great. Regarding the captain, he's been captain before. It's nothing different. He's relaxed. He's a leader on and off the pitch, and one that the players always look up to. So good to see him scoring again, because usually when he scores, he gets on a roll. So hopefully that'll be the case.
Captain gets free kick tickets?
Pardon?
Does the captain get free kick tickets?
Be a brave man, Harry, to try and get Gareth off free kicks. But no, I'm in a privileged position where you have a couple of players who are capable of scoring from 20-25 yards. Okay, cheers.
Sağlıkçı Ash Williams hal-hazırda komandadır və Gareth Bale və komandanın kapitanıdır. O necə bu pozisiyada olmağı xoşdur ona. Cavabı oldu ki, təkcə Gareth Bale bütün oyunculara biz ümidimizi bağlayırıq. Bütün oyuncular bizim çoxlu potensiallı oyuncularımız var. Hansı ki özlərinin boyunu göstərə bilərlər və kapitan olmağı əlbəttə ki, o özü bir lider kimi özünü aparır və hal-hazırda bundan çox məmnunluq duyur və onu bir daha gol vurmağını çok ümide gözləyirik. Çünki o bir dəfə qollarından sonra daha da onun ardı gəlir.
You said a few weeks ago that you couldn't just rely on Gareth Bale to take the team forward. Do you expect and want your younger players like Dan James and Harry Wilson to step up, and is this the opportunity for them to do that now?
Well, they're playing. They're in good form. Both scoring. I think they're both looking forward to being involved in the game. And obviously Dan has got off to a great start in his Manchester United career, but also he's been brilliant for us in the last few games, especially in the summer under difficult circumstances. So it's not only about Gareth. Obviously Gareth, because of what he's done, because of the capabilities that he's got, the pressure is always on Gareth and the spotlight is always on Gareth, but I want to bring that pressure off Gareth, where we can't rely on him in every game because we have got other talented players within the squad.
Sağlaydı ki, bununla Gareth Bale, əlbəttə ki, tüm ümidlərimizi Gareth Bale'dan başqa oyuncular da var. Cavab oldu ki, başqa oyuncular da var hal-hazırda bizim squadda. Ona görə də təkcə Gareth Bale'a ümid bağlamaq olmaz və bütün oyuncularımızın öz potensialını göstərəcəyinə inanırıq.
Lawrence?
Sorry, so Ben Davies hasn't played yet this season, or just a couple of minutes. Is he ready to play tomorrow?
He feels good. I spoke to him a couple of weeks ago, and he's been on the bench for Spurs, got in one of the games. So, he's good. But obviously we've got Neil Taylor as well, who's been playing games back in the Premier League now. So, it's two experienced players who I can call upon in the same position. So, again, looking in that respect, where I have that quality and experience, it's just for my choice to choose who starts.
Sağlaydı ki, Ben Davies'in bu aralar çox önemliyim, ona görə ondan sabahki oyunlarına gözləyirsiniz. Cavabı oldu ki, ondan 2 tane danışmışam və hal-hazırda özünü çox yaxşı hiss eləyir. Tottenham'da biraz oyuncular şəbəkəsində əyləşmişdi, amma özünü çox yaxşı hiss eləyir, sabahki oyun hazırdır və Neil Taylor da ondan əlavə bizim Neil Taylor bu aralar bütün oyunlarda iştirak eləmişdi. Ona görə də bizim hər ikisi də çox təcrübəli oyunculardır və onlara güvənirik.
You've been robbed of kind of Ashley Williams and James Chester's experience at centre-back. Do you have in your mind who your centre-back pairing is, your ideal pairing out of these four?
Well, again, now with James, he's played the last couple of games. All four are playing, so and playing well. Tom Lockie has made the jump up to the Championship and doing really well for Charlton, and so is Joe Roden. So, and obviously Meps has played, I think, three out of the 4 games for Bournemouth. So, I've got a choice to make in that department. I've tried to find sort of a centre-half partnership, but because of whatever injuries or form, not been able to do that. So, just looking at the players over the last few weeks, how they've started the season, and again this week in training. So, obviously I've got in my mind who I want the partnership to be, but all 4 of them can come in and do a job.
sual oldu ki, Ashley və James Chester hal-hazırda oyunda olmayacaq, ona görə yarım müdafiədə kimi görürsünüz? Cavab isə oldu ki, Joe Rodon və başqaları yarım müdafiədə başqaları var, onların hamısına güvənirik və dünən məşq sessiyası zamanında özlərini çox yaxşı göstərdilər, ona görə də o sahədə bir problemimiz olmayacağını inanıram.
Gentleman on the left.
Azərbaycanda çox sevildiğini deyək, Azərbaycandan gələn bir jurnalist kimi və Azərbaycan milli komandasının bütün oyunlarda top vurduğunu dedi, amma top bıraxdığını demədi nədənsə. Azərbaycan milli komandasının oyunlarını izləyibmi və xüsusilə fərqləndirə biləcəyi futbolçular varmı? Hansı futbolçulardan çəkinir?
You mentioned that you just first of all you want to say that all the Azerbaijani fans love you, and you said that you mentioned that you said Azerbaijani scored in all of the games, but you didn't mention that they've conceded a lot of goals as well.
Yeah.
So the question is that have you watched Azerbaijani games, and is there any particular football that you're particularly wary of in the game?
No, I mean, yeah, you're right. In regards to they've scored in every game, but especially the last couple conceded quite a few, and at home also. I mean, we've been more or less concentrating on the Croatia game because it's away from home, and we feel that that's how Azerbaijan are going to play. They're very talented on the break, especially. The wide players are very talented. And can go either way, left foot, right foot, so we'd be wary of that, of the crosses, and also they like to get control, Almeida in midfield. So yeah, it's up to us to be wary of that counter-attack, and also to put pressure on the midfielders who are capable of building up the play and talented. So we're taking nothing for granted. Yeah, I agree with you, they've conceded a lot of goals, but then when you concede a lot of goals, that's the first thing that you look to stop. So we expect a tough game, one that will have a lot of the ball, but like I say, be wary of that counter-attacking threat that Azerbaijan do pose.
Cavab oldu ki, bəli, əvvəlki oyunlarda qol buraxıblar, amma ki biz sadəcə bütün fokusumuz Xorvatiya ilə oyuna cəmlənib, çünki o səfər oyunu olacaq və Azərbaycan futbolçularına gəlindisə, bəli, çox talantlı oyuncular var, belə yarım müdafiədə Almeida'dan gözümüz üzərində olacaq və Azərbaycanın kontrataklarına onlara hazırlaşmışıq və gözləyirik ki, çox çətin bir oyun olacaq bizim üçün. Ben yine demek isterim ki, yani çalışacağız ki hemen kontrataklarda karşısına alır.
Right, have you been surprised by Dan's start at United? And obviously the spotlight's increased dramatically on him. You experienced that when you were a player. What sort of advice would you give him in terms of the long term to be able to sustain it?
I haven't been surprised because he had a good pre-season. So when you sign for a new club, that's what you want. Played nearly every game pre-season, and then when you score, you come on and score, and that gives you a lift. And it doesn't matter who you are in the world, what kind of ability you've got, confidence is everything. So confidence builds. We all know what he's capable of, what he's done over especially the last 8 or 9 months. He just gets better and better. So, and he's at the right club. Ollie will look after him in the right way, know when to play him. So no, I'm not surprised, and it's a club where they love wingers, they love players running at people and exciting the fans. So no, I'm pleased for him, and he won't get carried away. He's that sort of character, really down to earth, and like I say, he's at the right club regarding that, keeping his feet on the ground.
Sağ oldu ki, Dan Manchester United'da oyuna başladı və çox diqqəti cəlb elədi. Bu diqqət üzərində saxlamaq üçün uzun müddət ona məsləhət görərdi, diqqət üzərində saxlaya biləcəyimi. Cavab isə oldu ki, çox yaxşı sezon mövsümlərdə çox yaxşı oynadı və son 8-9 aylarda çox yaxşı oyun göstərdi və bir neçə gol bir neçə gol vura bildi və çox özündən əmin futbolçudur və getdikcə daha da yaxşılaşır. Ona görə də çox da sürpriz, bu mənə çox da sürpriz olmadı və onu çox şadam ki, o düzgün yerləri və yaxşı klubdadır.
One last question. Yeah, gentleman on that.
Azerbaycan'a galip gelmesinler diye özüsün.
The question is that if you don't beat Azerbaijan, would that be a major issue for you in terms of just being in the group and moving on to the next stage?
Yeah, I mean, you quickly start running out of games, and after 2 defeats, if you weren't to win again, then yeah, certainly you're up against it, and especially in this group where it's so competitive. You know, I think everyone looked at the group and thought Croatia favourites, and then ourselves and Slovakia, but Hungary have done so well, top of the group. So yeah, with it being so competitive and running out of games, yeah, it's crucial that we get a positive result on Friday.
Bəli və bundan əvvəl 2 dəfə məğlubiyyətimiz olub, ona görə də bu oyun bizim üçün həqiqətən çox vacibdir və bundan əvvəl qrup çox sərt rəqabətli qrupdur. Əlbəttə ki, əvvəllər düşünülür ki, Xorvatiya və Wales favoritdirlər bu qrupda, amma ki, buna baxmayaraq Macaristan çox yaxşı nəticə əldə elədi və ümumilikdə onu deyərdim ki, bu qələbə, növbəti oyunun qələbəsi bizim üçün çox vacibdir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thanks. Sure, yeah.
Yeah.